Hey guys, I know it's been a long time, and I'm sorry for that. And there obviously are reasons for that. I know when people normally make these kinds of videos, they sort of complain a lot or say a lot of the things that went wrong in their life. And while I have had some hardships in my life, so has everyone else. So I don't really want to focus on that. And while I will touch on them very lightly, I want to kind of focus on some of the more positive things that have happened and kind of caused the reason for me not being around as much for the past 2 going on 3 years. I will start with the bad though, so that way we can kind of end on all kind of good notes, hopefully. Um, First off, my partner that I was with back when I started my channel, we ended up splitting up. And so handling all of that was pretty difficult, as I'm sure you are well aware of. I'm sure you've all been through it before at some point in your lives, or if you haven't, maybe, maybe you will, or hopefully not. But we did have a house together. And so, trying to figure out splitting all that stuff up was pretty difficult. Also, while working during all of that. And more importantly, we did have a daughter. And so trying to make sure everything was going to be going well for her, and not having everything too chaotic. I really needed to try and focus, and I kind of hit a bit of a depression during all of that, as I'm sure you can understand. I mean, there was so much going on. It felt kind of a little bit like my life was changing way too fast. I had just recently started doing some awesome stuff with work, and I was, making the YouTube videos, and it felt like I had kind of everything, going in order. But um, as it was all kind of getting taken away, I went into a bit of a depression, and that actually caused me to end up losing my job as well. And when I lost my job, that actually caused me to end up getting my lights and my heating and air cut off just before winter, or as winter was hitting, and that actually caused my pipes to burst in the house, and it flooded the whole thing. And I ended up having to move out of the place because it caused well over 10K in damages. And all of this stuff was just nothing that I was, in a place to be dealing with. And things got really hard there for a while, and that actually kind of added to my depressive state a little bit. So I kind of felt like I was in this big downward spiral for a little while. But that's pretty much, all the bad things per se. So I'd like to kind of gear it now a little bit towards some better things. So let's just fast forward past all the, sleeping and not eating nonsense. We all know what depression feels like from time to time. So as I was kind of getting out of that depressive state, I actually started to do a lot of freelance work again, and then I also started working for more companies here and there, and I started working on some really great things, and which was really helping pull me out of that depressive state. And one of those projects, which was the Red Village, and I'm sure some of you have already seen a little bit of that in our Discord, because it still posts updates on that in there. And then eventually I kept working and working hard, and making a lot more connections and doing everything that I could to stay focused. And I eventually now am the CTO of Max Level Studios, and we're building Uldor, which is a Souls-like open world MMO, which is a pretty ambitious project. So there's been a lot of work that's been going into it. It has a lot of challenges that are having to be focused on. And so I've been really focused on trying my best to manage both the work life, as well as my friends and family, and these new challenges that I'm facing with work as well. And I just also took on a role with Plastic Wax, which is an animation studio based in Australia, and I'm actually doing some business development here for them in the States. So with all that happening, that's kind of the reason why I've been so busy, and not really around nearly as much, if any, sometimes over the past 2 to 3 years. And now that I'm kind of in a position to start working on some content again, I suppose it's time to address the elephant in the room. Everyone's been asking about the continuation of the RTS series. And I'm going to be completely honest with everyone. While it's probably still really fresh on a lot of your minds because some of you may not have even seen the videos until recently, I haven't seen that code base or worked on it in nearly 3 years. And a lot has changed since then in both Unity and the industry in general, as well as the way that I would probably program the thing. Now, I'm not necessarily saying that it's changed so much that it's undoable, because obviously people are still getting through the videos. I would probably do them a lot differently now, though, with the capabilities of the engine at least. And I understand that people get mad when like when a series isn't finished. So I don't exactly want to just not finish it. But at the same time, I'm making these videos in my free time, right? And I don't make any money from them. I'm just doing it because I want to. And, when I have the time to do it. So I do hope for a little understanding when I say that I won't be focusing on the series. And to be honest, I'm not 100% sure if I will finish it. And again, I know I'm probably going to get some hate for that, but I'm still currently working on keeping my own mental health high and focusing on growing, not only myself, but my life around me, to try and keep me focused and moving forward in my career as well. And to be honest, I mean, that has to come before this. This is more of something that I can do on the side, when I'm not working or spending time with family and friends. This has to be extra, right? I can't let this take over, everything that I do. And, I know some other YouTubers can do that, but this isn't even a small source of income for me, right? Like I make no money from this. This is for fun, and I do have other hobbies, right? So I don't want anybody to feel like I'm going to come back into this full force either. I'm not going to promise that I'm going to be uploading every single Monday again, because I don't want to make any kind of promise, that I'm not entirely sure that I can keep, and kind of let you guys down again if I, can't upload for a few weeks or a month, or who knows what might happen. But I do want to say that I am going to start making content again. As far as what that content is, I'll likely be doing some sort of a mix between some gaming stuff, keep doing some tutorial stuff. I'm not entirely sure on exactly what the content will be. So with that being said, if you guys would, shoot me some ideas. If you're in the Discord, there's a suggestions channel there. If you're not in the Discord, please shoot it in the comments here. I'm going to be reading every single one of them. If you want to see any kind of different or any kind of different content that's not just tutorial stuff, I'd love to see that. Or if you do just want tutorial stuff, let me know that, and what types of things you would want to learn. Or if you just want to hop in there and say you hate me for leaving, that's fine too. Just whatever it is, let me know how you guys are feeling about it. Because I do want to keep making content. I'm just not sure what the direction is, and what it should be. And ultimately, I do want to make content that you guys enjoy and that you want to see. But at the same time, I do kind of want to make sure that I'm enjoying it as well, rather than making it feel like it's another job. So while I will be reading everything, I'm not saying that I'm going to be doing everything, but I do want to kind of get those ideas and hear from you guys what you might want to see. That way, maybe I can generate content that's around those interests, even if it's not necessarily something that I will be doing exactly. Maybe I can tie it in some way, or anything like that. Um, and anyway, this video is getting kind of long, so I'll just end it off kind of saying, thank you so much to all of you who have, stayed around and kept supporting me, and you're active in the Discord, talking to each other, helping others solve their issues. That's amazing. I love to see that. And you guys really picked up the slack from me when I wasn't around answering as many questions as I normally was. So again, huge thank you for that. You guys are awesome. Um, and I guess that's about it. Just I guess I'll see you in the future then. Until next time, guys. Peace.